By the end of this video, you will know how to enable customer reviews in Shopify. If you are already signed in to your Shopify admin, start from the left side of the screen and click Apps. This opens the area where you can manage the apps connected to your store and find new ones when you need extra features. From there, choose the option that takes you to the Shopify App Store, or use the search option if that is what appears in your admin. The goal here is to open the app marketplace so you can look for a review app that works with your store. Once the App Store is open, click into the search bar and enter product reviews. After the results load, you will see a range of apps related to customer feedback and product ratings. Take a moment to look through the available options. Some apps focus on basic review collection, while others include extra display or moderation features. When you find the review app you want to use, select it to open its listing page. On that page, review the information provided about the app, including its features and any pricing plans that may be available. This is where you confirm that the app offers the type of review section you want to add to your product pages. If the app looks right for your store, click Install. Shopify will then show the permissions the app is requesting. Read through those permissions before continuing, then confirm the installation to allow the app to connect to your store. If the app takes a moment to install, wait for the process to finish and let the setup page load. After installation, follow the app's on-screen setup process. Each review app may label its setup options a little differently, but the purpose is the same. You are enabling customer reviews and connecting the review section to your storefront. As you move through the setup, configure the review settings based on how you want reviews to work in your store. You may be asked to choose where reviews appear, how they are displayed on product pages, or whether ratings and written feedback show together. Use the options provided by the app to match the layout and behavior you want customers to see. Once those settings are in place, complete the remaining setup steps inside the app. Then check your Shopify storefront and confirm that the customer review section appears on your product pages. This final check makes sure the app is installed, the review feature is active, and the section is visible to shoppers where it is supposed to appear. Thanks for watching. Customer reviews are now enabled on your Shopify storefront and displayed on your product pages.